Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to use Jamboard, an amazing application that's part of your G Suite. The EdTech team at Compton Unified uses Jamboard to collect ideas from every single member, and you can project this Jamboard on your projector screen or a TV screen. You don't need to buy a big expensive touchscreen TV. You can do it on any device, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first, make sure you're logged into your Google account, your district account, and then click on the apps, and then click on Jamboard. This is going to take you to the main Jamboard screen. And then on the bottom right, you're going to click on the plus to create a new jam. Okay, so this is going to be a blank canvas where you're going to be, and you and your team or your group of students, if they're collaborating in an amazing assignment, you jot down their ideas and put that on here. Now on the left-hand side, you have the pen. You have different types. So you have a pen, a marker, you have a highlighter, or a brush. You can clear the screen or certain sections or writing, or you can select down and clear the whole board. You got your color palette, you got your pointer, and my favorite part is a sticky. So this is where you could write down any ideas and select different colors, so each team member can have a different thing on there. So like I said, this is our brainstorm on the EdTech team. We did a lot of amazing stuff on here. Now, once you're ready to share out this Jamboard, or you want to start a jam session with your group of students or with a team, you're going to click on more actions here, and you're going to activate a jam code. This jam code is going to allow anyone with this code to join that jam session. So you're going to copy the code, and on the main screen on Jamboard, when that person goes in, they click on the link here and they enter your jam code, and voila, they're in. Hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you so much.